Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm going to be doing an Instagram story idea video. I think this will be a lot of fun. I've seen a couple different versions of this, and I thought it would be a lot of fun if I actually brought you guys along with me while we go take the photos and then come back and we will make them into Instagram stories. And I think that will be super fun. So the very first thing we're going to do is take some selfies because we got to show off our fit, fit check. And then we're gonna go get a coffee, we're gonna go to the car wash, and then we're gonna finish off the day by looking at the sunset. And I'm gonna show you guys how I'll make all three of those into Instagram stories. Okay, so the very first thing we did was take some selfies. So we did that right here in this room. And these are the photos that I got to use. Okay, so I put all the photos that I took today that I want to use into this little folder. And the very first one we'll do is the selfies. So start by clicking the colored selfie. I made one colorful and one black and white. So we'll do the colored one first, just so that the background kind of has some color and it's not black and white. And then if you go up to the little stickers button, they actually have an option where you can add images now. So we're going to add the black and white one into it. And then I'm going to go back to the sticker button, go to GIF and type in line. And I like to use these little dot lines, right? So we'll use the little dot lines and create a frame around the colored photo. So once I have the little dots around the colored photo, I want to do a frame around the black and white photo as well. So I will just go back to stickers and GIF and then type in frame. Click on this solid white frame down here and just put it around the black and white photo. Now that is pretty cute. You can leave it like that. But I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more pizzazz to it. So I'm going to click on the text tool, type a period, use this font because it will make it kind of like translucent. Make it bigger, put it on the sides, and this has been something that I've really been into here lately, so you'll see me do this quite a lot if you follow me on Instagram, which if you don't, you should. Obviously, I have great Instagram story content, so why would you not follow me? But anyway, I'll do the same thing on the opposite side with the little box. And then using the draw tool, I'll use the like glow one, make it kind of big, but we're gonna do different size dots. So make it a little bigger, dot, dot. And that is pretty cute. So that is all for this first one, but I think that is a pretty cute Instagram story, Okay, so that's all for the first one. So after we took our selfies and we were feeling pretty good about ourselves because our OOTD was hot fire flames, then we went to the coffee shop. You already know, boys. And we got an iced coffee. So I took a couple different pictures of my coffee, but I decided to go with this one for this Instagram story. So first we're gonna write coffee break on it. So I'm just gonna start out and put coffee, make it the size I want, and then write break. And then I'm gonna just type some underscores and make it the size like that looks like it fits. We're gonna put it on this side for this one. Yeah, and then type some more underscores, make it a little bigger, put it on. So I like the way that looks, but I wanna make it pop more. So we're gonna go to the color tool and I'm gonna select this darker brown from my sweater. I like that. And then I'm just gonna make this line over here the same color. Cute, cute, cute. Okay, so that is looking hot fire flames, but I want to add more to it, okay? You can always add more when it comes to these Instagram stories. So I'm going to go to the type tool and I'm just going to type coffee in all caps. And I want to change the font to that one. Yeah. I need to learn the names of these. And I'm gonna go ahead and select all of it because I know I'm gonna use it again. So then I'm gonna type a period and a dot, make it translucent. And I want this color to be like a light brown color. Yeah, just like that. Cute, cute, cute. And I'm gonna make it big. Like I said, I do this a lot, and put it in the corner. Once I have that where I want it, I'm gonna change the color of the coffee words to this dark brown color, and I'm gonna put it on top of that. Yes, I love it. Okay, so same thing in the bottom corner. I'm gonna do the period space, make it big so it kind of fills up the corner, and then so I don't have to type coffee a bunch of times, I'll just paste it. And that is super cute. That is everything that I want. I want it to look just like that. That is so cute. So after we went and got a coffee, then we headed to the car wash. Okay, so I just gotta wait for this car to get done, and then it'll be my turn to go through the car wash, and we'll take a cute like picture of it, you know. The colors! Oh my MG, look at all the colors! Look at them! I don't know if y'all can see them. How cool! I love. So I really did kind of think on this one for a minute about what I wanted to do, but I think we're just literally going to keep it simple and just use the letters. So just put car on the top of the steering wheel, and I'm gonna put wash on the bottom part. So, okay, so you could leave the car wash just like that. That is super cute. But I think I wanna add just like some of those little glow dots, just like down here at the bottom where it's a little darker. But like I said, it was cute the way, just like with the words. Like if you wanted to just leave it like that, you could. Okay, so that's probably all I would do to this photo, just because there is a lot going on. But I think it turned out super cute, and I will show you this one as well. I think that turned out super cute. Okay, so the very last place we went was to watch the sunset. So I'm up here at the top of like this mountain that I love to come to because the sunsets up here are absolutely gorgeous, guys. I'm about to show you, but I love the sunsets up here. So I'm going to take a couple more pictures, and then we will head back because I think I got all the photos I need to show y'all how I would edit them. The moon, the whole moon, guys, and then just gorgeous sunset. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. And we took a picture of that, and this is the photo we're going to use. And I love this picture because it has the moon in it and everything, which is so cute. So I'm just going to type cherish, and then I'm going to type every, and make that like a different font, you know, just like change it up a little bit, not too much, but change it up just a little bit. And then I actually want to use like a GIF, I think, so I'm just gonna see what they have. So sunset, I'll use this one. This one's pretty cute. So cherish every sunset. Anyway, so then I'm gonna select like the orange color from the sky and just draw a line underneath. I'm gonna do it one more time. I want it to be a little fatter, I think. That's pretty cute. And then just use the type tool once again and just type a bunch of periods and make those a little bigger and put them inside the orange line. And that is super cute. I love the way that one turned out as well. So I'll show y'all that one. I will probably insert these. Okay guys, well those are all the Instagram story ideas that I have for y'all today. Let me know if you liked the format of this video, or if you would rather me have just sat here and just like showed you really quickly a bunch of different story ideas. Anyway, this would not be an Instagram video if I didn't plug my own Instagram, so follow me. It will be right here in the description, and I will see you guys next time.